Mr. Peabody assists Knowledgebeatsignorance.com. Mr. Peabody and I are here today to celebrate and talk to you about the unique relationship between dogs and people. Dogs have been a big part of humans' lives for an extremely long period of time. According to genetic studies, modern-day domesticated dogs originated in China, the Middle East, and Eastern Europe. Recent evidence found by Swedish scientist Pontus Skoglund concluded that dogs have even been domesticated for as early as 40,000 years ago. That means that human beings and dogs have been close friends for almost 40,000 years. How crazy is that? Scientists believe wolves were first attracted to human camps where people lived in order to eat the food that they had left over. Over time, however, wolves started to actually travel with these humans, and that's when they started to turn more into pets than wild animals. This is also known as domestication. A few studies actually show that women may have been the first people to domesticate and live with dogs more as pets. There's even scientific evidence supporting the super close bond between humans and dogs. When people look into each other's eyes, we bond emotionally and release a hormone called oxytocin. Recent study found that when dogs and people gaze into each other's eyes, the same hormone is released in both the humans and the dogs. This proves just how close humans and dogs really are. Today, dogs are referred to by people all over the world as man's best friend, and that's because it's true. Dogs and humans love one another, and dogs have been bred to literally support their human companions. Dogs are also incredibly smart. They can pick up on human emotions, which is why they are used as service dogs or emotional support dogs. One of the most interesting things about dogs is how different they range in their size and their appearance. Dogs are actually one of the most diverse species on the entire planet. For instance, a tiny Chihuahua, like Peabody, and a giant Great Dane are almost identical on a genetic level, but they look so different. They have entirely different sized ears, paws, and temperaments. There are currently 360 officially recognized dog breeds in the world, but that doesn't include experimental breeds such as toy dogs and then strange mixes of dogs. Because there are so many different breeds of dogs, there's really a perfect breed for each and every person. Today, the #1 dog breed in popularity is the Labrador Retriever. Regardless of what breed of dog you have or want, it's a fact that dogs are absolutely amazing. They provide their family members with unconditional love, loyalty, and companionship. And that is why dogs are family.